Hey guys, so this video is going to primarily be about the Big Rock project I've had. There's not going to be a lot of fleshed out clips and whatnot, but just kind of, I'm going to try to have a timeline of the whole thing kind of getting constructed, and the body is honestly the most custom part of it all. The rest is just the actual car, just with the parts it's supposed to come with, so. But the body was a lot of fun, so I'll try to include some clips of that and the welding that was involved with that, so. So we got something in the mail today, which was, I thought it was all Jenny's RC parts, but it's actually the roller. Okay, I made a bit of a mess, but this thing is insane. So it's a 1/7 Big Rock. I didn't know the bottom was metal. Or the drive shaft. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Look at those arms. Just got the rest of my parts in. So the computer, shocks, servo,